So this is the Palmer Products wind adjuster for the VFR 800X, also for other bikes. Game changing. You don't hear anymore the sounds when you hit the potholes. Super solid mechanism, let's say. Goes up and down here and also tilts here. I chose the silver version as my bike is silver red, just to make it look nice. I have it now in the upright position. You can make it like this or like this. This is the highest point for this specific windscreen. It's the stock one. If you have an aftermarket windscreen and it's not straight, it has curves, it's not gonna work, because my previous GP composite screen, it didn't work, so I have to sell it now. Fantastic, super solid. Even if I try to move it, you see, you hear nothing. The whole bike is moving, but the windscreen, it doesn't move. Excellent product. Thank you, Palmer Products, for making our bikes amazing and usable, as companies don't really care. Super solid stainless steel. Hopefully it's not gonna get rusty, although I'm gonna use ACA 50 to protect it, but you never know. That's from the front. You can see it comes with all the screws you need, obviously. Everything comes included. I chose the toolless adjusters. It's extra 10 pounds, I think. You can also choose the bar here, which I don't really care, as I have my quad lock mount. So this is the actual product. Initial impressions is a fantastic product. I think it's worth the money. About 80 pounds maybe. Depends how, what kind of extras you want. And obviously that's going to determine the price. So this is the product, as you can see, there and there. And from the inside, here and there. It's so solid, you hear nothing. So this is the product. Hopefully you find this video helpful. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel. And yet again, one more time, it mounts on the existing mountain holes, and it comes with all the screws you need, with this, with the screen screws, with the rubbers. It comes with everything, guys.